Hello everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be showing you how to make homemade chili sauce and to be eaten with Krupuk Palembang. So come let's join Aunty. Alright friends, today Aunty is gonna make chili sauce. Homemade chili sauce, my own style. I'm using dry chili. This dry chili Aunty has soaked in water. And now I want to boil it for about 20 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned with the process. Alright, I start to boil this chili to make it soft. After boiling, then it will take about 20 minutes. Continue boiling. Then I just switch off the flame. Doesn't have to take so long. Okay, stay tuned guys. Alright friends, these are the ingredients needed to make homemade chili sauce. Here I have dry chili I already boiled. This is about 200 grams of dry chili and I'm going to grind this later on, and followed by garlic. Okay, I have 6 bulb of garlic. I'm going to grind later on too, and followed by salt. I'm using coarse salt. I'm using 2 cups of this coarse salt, and of course sugar. I have 2 kilo and 500 grams of sugar that I need. And also I need vinegar, 3 cups of vinegar. And this is the thickening agent. I'm using tapioca starch, about 800 grams. And this is water. I'm using 6.4 liters of water to make this homemade chili sauce. I always make a lot so that I can store it in the refrigerator in a container for a homemade chili sauce. Okay, stay tuned guys. And the water I used to cook about 6.4 liters. And I'm gonna add in this is blended garlic. This is 1 kilogram of sugar. Coarse salt. And this is vinegar. Alright, stay tuned guys. It takes quite some time to cook this. Right, the chili has been boiling, and I'm going to thicken the sauce time for thickening. Okay, I pour in the tapioca flour. And slowly stir it. Right. While doing this, you have to slow the flame. This is not enough thick. I'm going to add more. While doing this, you have to slow the flame so that it will not be lumpy. Add in bit by bit. So this is how Aunty make chili sauce. We seldom buy chili sauce. Aunty always make our own chili sauce. This is Aunty Dann's chili sauce. If you might want to try, my friends, you can do so. It doesn't need so much ingredient. I used to make chili sauce using dry chili and then boil and then grind it and then cook it like this. And then sugar, salt, vinegar, all to taste. Okay, see? Stir and stir until all the starch fully blend. So these are the amount of the chili that Aunty made. Alright friends, now Aunty want to deep fry this Krupuk Palembang. This is going to be eaten with the chili sauce. Stay tuned. Okay, the technique of deep fry this Krupuk Palembang is like this. Dip inside the oil and then dip it back. Okay. Okay, see, so big. Ooh, beautiful. Dip in, carry up, and then dip in. This is Aunty technique of frying. Okay, done. Alright friends, this is the ending of Aunty's cooking, making homemade chili sauce to be eaten with Krupuk Palembang. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. May God bless all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.